if I spill again, then take this away.
అవునమ్మా.
Then, if you take it away, I'll be sad.
Oh. Then what should you do in order not to be sad?
Then I'll be happy.
You'll be happy, Sarira. If you don't want to be sad, you shouldn't be spilling any more salt on the floor.
Yes.
Because if you do, that's going away, and if that goes away, you'll be sad.
I'll be crying.
You'll be crying?
Yes.
Do you always cry when you're sad?
Yes. When you take it away, then when you take it away, then you'll be sad. I'll be sad. See, you spilled it.
Who spilled it?
You spilled it.
You spilled it.
When you spill it, when somebody spilled it, then somebody will spill it, somebody spill it.
Hey, you're talking nonsense.
Not gibberish.
Not gibberish, but nonsense.
I'm talking nonsense and you're talking nonsense.
No, I'm talking sense and you're talking nonsense.
No.
Yes.
No. I'm not. I'm more certain to that one.
Good job.
Can I do that?
Yeah, Nana, you're already doing it.
Don't take this away.
I won't, Amma.
Don't take that away.
I won't take that away either.
Don't take that away.
Okay,
I
Nana.
want to keep it.
Okay.